Anna Berry trains plant mechanics in sanitary heating and climatic engineering. Unhappy with how things are going so far, she begins to wonder, what do trainees really need to learn to be able to survive in their professional life? What's important? Theory, as always, no question about that. But what if it's not clear how the theory should be applied in practice? Anna mulls this over a bit more. Of course, it's better if the trainees also learn using a live practical example. So, for example, they should experience for themselves how to install a heating circulation pump. But is that enough? Isn't that just one aspect among many? What about, for example, customer service and creating a quote? What if the customer asks how much an additional service will cost them, and Anna's protégés can only shrug their shoulders? And do they also know how material ordering or accounting works? The trainees need to get an understanding of the big picture. The linkages are important here. It's now clear in Anna's mind. Trainees learn best in real integrated work processes. That is, in processes they will also come to experience in real professional life. Anna immediately gets to work. She chooses a typical process for the profession she's teaching, replacing a heating pump in a private customer's family house. She notes that a work process usually consists of 4 phases: order acceptance, order planning, order execution, and order completion. As is customary in this particular trade, Anna's work process is triggered simply by a customer order. In industry, work processes are usually somewhat more complex and consist of process chains with in-house processes. In both cases, a service or product is produced in the end. It's now a matter of further subdividing the work process into sub-processes and describing them more precisely. For example, the order acceptance includes the sub-processes analysis of the heating system in place, customer advice, and offer followed by placing an order. During the planning phase, the necessary components are ordered and the tools gathered. Afterwards, the work process can be defined and the time and personnel input scheduled. In the execution phase, the installation is carried out with a subsequent control phase and then commissioning. Then the system is handed over to the customer. The completion phase is mainly about invoicing. This needs the costs of the materials used and the working time taken. Anna describes every sub-process with all its individual work steps very precisely. This also includes all necessary equipment or other considerations, such as, for example, health and safety laws. This precise description helps Anna develop specific learning and work tasks later on for her teaching. And this work-oriented teaching leaves her trainees well prepared for the job. What workflow could you use for your teaching? Also, give your trainees the opportunity to directly experience all phases of a process and to take on real-life tasks from their own business independently. Take advantage of the possibilities.